This is the Intellibeam unboxing for the Ubiquiti Networks UniFi switch, model US-L2-48-POE. So here's the front. Flip around and show you the back box. Let's open it up and see what we got. First we have all the accessories. So inside we have the two rack ears, the rubber mounting feet if you're not using it in a rack, cage nut and screws, the quick start guide, standard power cable, and then lastly the rack screws to screw the ears into the rack. Twist that out. Let's get the switch out. And this thing is significantly heavier than the other Ubiquiti switches I've unboxed before, and that is because it has spots for extra power supply. So in the back you have one 350 watt power supply. You can add a secondary one. Online it shows two, but then it says, if you look at it, it says the other one's sold separately, so don't think you're getting two like I did. Then you get the 3 fans in the back and the console port. And then on the front you have your 48 port Gigabit POE ports. Just keep in mind that this only does 48 volt, not 24, even though I thought they were including both in switches going forward, but apparently not. Then you have your two 10 gig SFP ports and then two normal SFP ports. So that is the switch itself. Once again, that was the Ubiquiti Networks UniFi switch model US-L2-48/POE unboxing by Intellibeam. Technology of tomorrow, today.